Why do so many men over the age of 55 suddenly experience a sharp decline in circulation, vitality, and performance, especially in the most private parts of the body? The answer may be more serious than most are led to believe. While these symptoms are often brushed off as just aging, they're actually among the earliest and most reliable warning signs of something far more dangerous. Consider this. When blood flow begins to falter in the pelvic region, it's not just a localized issue. It's a clear, measurable indicator that the arteries throughout the entire body, including those serving the heart and brain, may also be compromised. And the science supports this. Men with erectile dysfunction are up to 70% more likely to suffer a heart attack within 5 years. That statistic alone reframes the issue entirely. What was once seen as a private or emotional problem is now understood to be a cardiovascular emergency in disguise. When blood vessels narrow and harden due to inflammation, oxidative stress, and years of lifestyle strain, the smallest arteries are often the first to be affected, those responsible for energy, stamina, and sexual function. But if left unaddressed, this same pattern of vascular damage progresses silently, increasing the risk of stroke, heart failure, and cognitive decline. This is not a message about shame, or even just about intimacy. This is a message about survival. The encouraging news is this. Circulation issues, especially those related to performance and vitality, respond remarkably well to targeted changes in lifestyle and nutrition. They're not irreversible. In fact, with the right daily practices, many people experience noticeable improvements in just a few weeks, without the use of medications or synthetic interventions. Numerous clinical studies have confirmed that certain foods, spices, and stress reduction strategies can naturally relax blood vessels, lower systemic inflammation, and improve nitric oxide production, which is essential for healthy circulation. One natural ingredient, often overlooked and already found in most kitchens, has shown promising results in restoring blood flow and cardiovascular function, when used correctly. This simple food, accessible in nearly every grocery store, is not exotic or expensive, but it carries a powerful compound that can activate the body's own recovery systems. In the next few minutes, a full breakdown will be shared, including how this food works, how to use it effectively, and how it fits into a broader routine designed to restore circulation, rebuild hormonal balance, and support long-term energy. Before diving into the details, viewers are encouraged to reflect on recent changes they may have noticed. Slower mornings, reduced stamina, or a sense that something just isn't working like it used to. These may not be isolated symptoms. They may be the body's early warning system, and this might be the opportunity to listen. Number 1, the morning circulation ritual. Poor circulation doesn't always start with dramatic symptoms. Often, it begins subtly, slight stiffness in the legs, colder hands and feet, or reduced energy after waking. But over time, these signs can signal a deeper problem: weakening blood vessels and reduced nitric oxide production. Fortunately, a simple, science-backed morning habit may help restore blood flow, without any pills or supplements. This technique is called contrast hydrotherapy, and it's been used in European and naturopathic medicine for decades. The method works by alternating warm and cold water during a short shower routine. While it might sound unusual, the effects are powerful. Here's why it matters. Your blood vessels are lined with smooth muscle tissue. These muscles control the contraction and expansion of blood vessels, crucial for regulating blood flow. As people age, especially past 55, these muscles can lose flexibility. They don't respond as efficiently to temperature, activity, or stress. This leads to poor circulation, especially in extremities and sensitive areas like the pelvis. Contrast therapy acts like a vascular workout. Warm water causes your blood vessels to dilate, widen, allowing more blood to flow. Cold water causes them to constrict, tighten, pushing blood toward vital organs. By alternating between these temperatures, your blood vessels learn to adapt again, becoming more responsive, elastic, and efficient. Just like exercising a muscle in the gym strengthens it over time, this gentle daily exposure trains your blood vessels to function better. How to do it? Step-by-step guide. 1. Start your shower with warm water, not scalding, but comfortably warm. Let it flow over your body for 2 minutes. During this phase, your blood vessels open up and circulation begins to improve. 2. Switch to cold water, as cold as you can tolerate. Let it run for 30 seconds. You'll feel an immediate jolt, which signals your vessels to contract, forcing blood inward. 3. Repeat this cycle 3 times. 2 minutes warm. 30 seconds cold. End with cold water. The total process takes less than 7 minutes. If it's too intense at first, begin with 1 round and gradually increase to 3. What's important is consistency, not perfection. Why it works. This technique naturally boosts nitric oxide, a molecule your body uses to relax blood vessels and increase circulation. While many medications try to mimic this effect artificially, contrast showers stimulate your body's own production, leading to more stable, sustainable improvements in vascular health. Some people report feeling warmth in their hands or feet, improved alertness, or a lift in mood within days of starting. Over time, the benefits may expand to include better energy, improved sleep, and enhanced circulation in areas previously showing signs of decline. It's not magic, it's physiology. And it starts with a shower. Number 2, the circulation walk. Improving circulation doesn't require high-intensity workouts or expensive gym equipment. In fact, for adults over 55, intense exercise may actually have the opposite effect, triggering stress responses that constrict blood vessels rather than open them. A more effective, low-impact alternative is what some experts call the circulation walk. This is not traditional walking for fitness or weight loss. The goal here is to use specific muscles in your legs, particularly the calf muscles, to activate what's often called the second heart. That's because every step you take engages the calves, which help push blood back up toward the pelvis and heart. When done intentionally, this rhythmic movement dramatically enhances pelvic and systemic blood flow. Why it works? As the body ages, blood vessels can stiffen, and blood flow to extremities and pelvic organs may decline. Many men and women notice cold hands and feet, slower wound healing, or diminished sensation in intimate areas. Regular, mindful walking can reverse some of these trends by encouraging the blood vessels to dilate and improving vascular flexibility. Unlike cardio workouts that divert blood to large muscle groups, this method prioritizes circulation to vital organs, including the brain, digestive system, and reproductive system. How to do the circulation walk. Duration, just 5 minutes. Pace, slow to moderate, take about 2 seconds per step. Form, focus on heel-to-toe motion. With each step, as your heel touches the ground, contract your calf muscle. As you roll to your toes, keep tension in the lower leg. This deliberate contraction mimics the pumping action that pushes blood upward. Pair the walk with a breathing pattern. Inhale through the nose for 4 steps. Exhale through the mouth for 4 steps. This not only oxygenates the blood, but also activates the parasympathetic nervous system, which supports circulation to the pelvic area and promotes a calm, restorative state. Many people report feeling more energized, focused, and clear-headed within the first week. Over time, consistent practice may help reduce swelling in the legs, improve mobility, and restore healthy pelvic circulation. Benefits that extend to cardiovascular and cognitive health as well. It's not about intensity. It's about intention. And consistency matters more than duration. Number 3, the breathing method. Many adults unknowingly breathe in a shallow, inefficient manner throughout the day. This pattern of chest-dominant, short breathing restricts oxygen intake, limits nitric oxide production, and reduces circulation to vital organs, including the pelvic region. As a result, energy levels decline, stress accumulates, and cardiovascular performance diminishes. One of the most effective ways to counteract this is through diaphragmatic breathing, also known as belly breathing. When practiced consistently, it restores optimal oxygen flow and activates the parasympathetic nervous system, which supports relaxation and blood vessel dilation. A proven method is the 6-4-8 breathing pattern. Inhale slowly through the nose for 6 seconds, expanding the belly. Hold the breath gently for 4 seconds. Exhale through the mouth for 8 seconds, letting the belly contract. This technique maximizes oxygen delivery while reducing stress hormone levels, such as cortisol, that constrict blood vessels. The breath hold increases the opportunity for oxygen to transfer into the bloodstream, while the extended exhale triggers a relaxation response, improving circulation. In addition, deep breathing promotes the release of nitric oxide, a molecule essential for blood vessel flexibility and flow. Most adults over 55 have decreased nitric oxide levels, contributing to poor circulation and vascular stiffness. Diaphragmatic breathing helps counter this decline naturally. The breathing method can be done anywhere, at home, in the car, or during a break at work. Practicing for just 3 to 5 minutes, 3 times per day, has shown to increase oxygen saturation in the blood, promote calm energy, improve pelvic and cardiovascular circulation. For best results, combine this with light movement, like the circulation walk, and hydration. This breathing habit costs nothing, but can yield measurable results in energy, sleep quality, and overall vitality within days. Number 4, optimizing sleep for circulation. Sleep is one of the most overlooked factors in maintaining strong circulation. During deep, uninterrupted sleep, the body produces nitric oxide and growth hormones that support tissue repair and vascular health. However, poor sleep quality or incorrect sleep posture can reduce these benefits and impair blood flow. One of the most effective sleep positions to support healthy circulation is lying on your back with a pillow under your knees. This posture helps maintain spinal alignment, reduces pressure on the lower back, and keeps blood vessels open and unrestricted in the pelvic and abdominal areas. In contrast, stomach sleeping compresses major blood vessels and organs, potentially restricting circulation to key areas like the pelvis. Side sleeping is better than stomach sleeping, but it still doesn't optimize blood flow as well as back sleeping. Room temperature is another crucial factor. Studies show that a bedroom set between 65 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 20 degrees Celsius, is ideal for sleep quality and circulation. A cool environment signals the body to enter restorative phases of sleep, where blood flow is redirected toward repair and hormone balance. Another simple yet effective adjustment is elevating the foot of the bed by 3 to 4 inches. This allows gravity to assist in returning blood from the legs and feet to the heart and pelvic region during the night. Combined, these strategies allow for deeper sleep, better hormone regulation, and improved circulation to all vital organs. Many people report waking up with improved energy, less stiffness or swelling in the legs, better mood and focus, more noticeable signs of morning vitality. Prioritizing sleep as part of a circulation-focused lifestyle is not just about rest. It's about activating the body's nightly healing process. By creating a supportive sleep environment and posture, the body can better restore its vascular system, boost nitric oxide, and lay the foundation for stronger daytime energy and performance. Most people know that staying hydrated is important, but what often gets overlooked is how timing and method of hydration directly impact blood circulation, especially after age 55. As the body ages, blood vessels naturally become less elastic. When even mild dehydration sets in, blood becomes thicker and more viscous. Think of trying to push syrup through a garden hose instead of water. The heart has to work harder, blood flow slows, and delivery of oxygen and nutrients to extremities, especially to sensitive or performance-related areas, drops significantly. The solution isn't just to drink more water, but to drink it the right way. Here's how. 1. Morning flush, 16 to 20 ounces upon waking. After 6 to 8 hours without fluids, the body wakes up in a dehydrated state. Drinking 16 to 20 ounces of room temperature water within the first 30 minutes helps thin the blood, rehydrate tissues, and prepare the cardiovascular system for the day. This is especially important for older adults, whose kidneys and circulation may already be under strain. 2. Hourly sips, 4 to 6 ounces every hour. Instead of chugging large amounts sporadically, small, consistent intake supports steady hydration and keeps blood viscosity low. This practice prevents the roller coaster of dehydration and overhydration, which can stress the body unnecessarily. 3. Skip the ice. Cold water may feel refreshing, but it actually constricts blood vessels, reducing circulation temporarily. Room temperature water is absorbed more easily and maintains optimal blood flow. 4. Add a pinch of sea salt, optional. High-quality sea salt contains trace minerals that aid electrolyte balance and water absorption. A small pinch in the morning water can make a noticeable difference in hydration efficiency, especially for those who sweat frequently or consume caffeine. 5. Evening adjustment. Avoid large volumes of water 2 to 3 hours before bed to minimize overnight bathroom trips, which disrupt sleep. Instead, sip 4 to 6 ounces of water about 30 minutes before sleep. This maintains circulation overnight without disturbing rest. Proper hydration timing costs nothing, but can dramatically improve energy, mental clarity, and blood flow, making it one of the simplest yet most overlooked strategies for better circulation after 55. Top 5 circulation-boosting foods. Optimizing circulation isn't just about exercise or supplements. It's also deeply tied to what you put on your plate. Certain whole foods contain natural compounds that support nitric oxide production, reduce inflammation, and improve the flexibility and health of blood vessels. Here are the top 5 foods proven to enhance blood flow, especially for adults over 55. Number 5, dark leafy greens. Spinach, arugula, and beet greens are loaded with dietary nitrates, not to be confused with the harmful kind found in processed meats. These plant-based nitrates convert into nitric oxide, a molecule that relaxes blood vessels and improves circulation. To maximize this benefit, consume these greens raw or lightly steamed. Overcooking can destroy their nitrate content. A daily handful in salads or smoothies supports overall vascular health, including improved blood flow to the brain, heart, and pelvic region. Number 4, watermelon rind. Most people discard the white part of the watermelon rind, but it contains high levels of citrulline, an amino acid that converts into arginine, a precursor to nitric oxide. This boosts blood flow naturally, especially to the lower body. Blend the rind into smoothies or juice it raw. Some report a noticeable energy lift and improved vascular response within an hour. It's a refreshing and underrated addition to any circulation-supportive diet. Number 3, pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice is rich in polyphenol, which are potent antioxidants known to reduce oxidative stress and increase blood vessel flexibility. These compounds help repair damage in the endothelium, the thin lining of your arteries. For best results, drink 8 ounces of pure, unsweetened pomegranate juice on an empty stomach in the morning. Avoid juices with added sugar or fillers. Consistent intake over 1 to 2 weeks often leads to enhanced stamina, sharper cognition, and improved cardiovascular comfort. Number 2, raw garlic. Garlic has been used for centuries as a heart remedy, but allicin, its active compound, is only effective when garlic is crushed and allowed to rest for 10 minutes before consumption. Cooking garlic destroys allicin, so raw is best. Try this. Crush 1 clove, let it sit, then swallow with water like a capsule. Allicin promotes vasodilation, the widening of blood vessels, which increases blood flow and helps normalize blood pressure. It's a potent, natural tool for anyone struggling with sluggish circulation. Number 1, beetroot powder plus black pepper. Beets are already high in nitrates, but beetroot powder offers a concentrated dose that's more bioavailable and convenient. When paired with black pepper, absorption is amplified dramatically thanks to piperine, a compound in pepper that enhances nutrient uptake. Mix 1 tablespoon of beetroot powder with a pinch of freshly ground black pepper in 8 ounces of water. Drink it 30 minutes before a workout or main meal. Users often feel increased energy, improved stamina, and even a subtle warming sensation in the extremities shortly after consumption. Circulation decline is not an irreversible part of aging. It's a signal, not a sentence. The body's ability to heal, regenerate, and restore healthy blood flow remains intact far longer than most realize. But it needs the right input. Daily habits like warm to cold showers, proper hydration, slow rhythmic walks, and diaphragmatic breathing are powerful tools. Pair these with circulation-enhancing foods like beetroot, garlic, pomegranate, watermelon rind, and leafy greens, and you create a daily blueprint for real, sustained improvement. You don't need to rely on pills or wait for a crisis to take action. These small but consistent choices add up. Your heart, brain, and vitality don't fade overnight. They respond to how you treat them. So here's your challenge. Start today. Try 1 habit. Add 1 food. Track how you feel in 7 days. Then share this video with someone who might need a nudge toward reclaiming their energy and confidence. Because the truth is simple. Your vitality isn't gone. It's waiting to be restored. And it begins with 1 small step forward.